Hello, a warm welcome, 1,000 thank yous back on the analogue with this fine Hornby 404 loco, putting these fine carriages which were bought off eBay, a rake of 3 for £25. They're absolutely mint condition, and these are not very powerful locos, but it is capable of pulling this. We'll give it a bit of power. It's going around the track now. So it should come out the tunnel at the other side. Listen to that lovely noise. Doesn't that sound good? Comes out now. Here it comes. Oh, it's gone back through the station. But they're not very powerful, as I said. You've got too much on for this to pull. Struggles with pulling these. No problem. And around again. Up through the station, that's quite fast. And into the tunnel. And on this platform here, there's a Bachmann train, Bachmann loco, quite noisy. Listen to that noise. To the station there. Quite noisy, that one. This is reversing into the station, I don't know why. Nice and smooth. That one's away down. Give this back one a bit more power. Doesn't that sound good? An old musical sound on here. We're going with the 040. That's a little video. Enjoy your trains. Thank you for watching. Thank you and good night.